guys. It's about 2 a.m. I had the fire, I had that door closed completely, and it was just, putting off just a little bit of heat. But it is absolutely frigid outside. It's probably, there's no wind. It's probably negative 10 degrees. And it was dripping all down here. I'm kind of new at burning these wood stoves, but my best guess is that, because it's so cold, that the chimney was actually cooling off up at the top, and it wouldn't allow the carbon to escape out of the chimney, and just all this creosote build up. The tent was filling up with smoke. As soon as I stoked this, so it's running down. It's done smoking now. But man, I'm glad I'm old. I'm glad I gotta get up in the middle of the night to pee. All right, 2 o'clock in the morning. Go back to bed. Oh, it is turning out to be an absolutely gorgeous day. Does that look scrumptious or what? Oh, yeah. Sun is shining in right here. Beautiful. Lord Jesus, thank you for today. Thank you that the sun is shining, the birds are chirping. Oh yeah, thanks for the food. Yep. All right, time for some cross-country skiing. Let's go explore. Oh. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that in fast motion. We are going to turn around and head back, because this trail only goes one direction, north. It is probably 2 p.m. and I've been gone maybe an hour, So I left about 1. So it'll be 3 by the time I get back. What an absolutely beautiful area, huh? Oh yeah, that was fun. Woohoo! All right, guys, cooking on here this time. I do not know how to do this on the stove, on the wood stove, without burning it. A perfect textured rice. That's absolutely delish. Just needs one more thing. What everything needs. Oh yeah, this is absolutely gonna hit the spot. I already know it. Cross-country skiing wore me out. Came back, took a nap, woke up in time to fly the drone a little bit, which you saw. Beautiful night. Started to cool off quite a bit when the sun went down, as always. We'll catch up with you whenever I feel like turning the camera on. Oh, look at that. Oh. I get progressively more and more tired, or sore, I should say. All right. Let's. Morning. Oh. I'm not ready to get up yet.